Pepsi Cola hits the spot. Big, big bottle and it's got bounce, 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 bounce. Go get Pepsi for the Pepsi bounce.
Now go get Pepsi for the Pepsi bounce. More bounce to the ounce, more bounce to the ounce. Go get Pepsi for the Pepsi bounce. Then
Why take less when Pepsi's there?
more bounce to the ounce in Pepsi.
Go get Pepsi for the Pepsi bounce.
Here comes fun. Here comes Pepsi in the big, big bottle. They're one and the same, always together. So sparkling, so alight with that wake-up tang. Feel smart, be smart, get more for your money. Get Pepsi several cartons at a time. Always keep Pepsi in the family refrigerator. Pepsi's livelier, friendlier, better. Why take less when Pepsi's best?